Ever wondered why AI code agents sometimes miss the point, even when your instructions seem clear? GitHub just open-sourced Spec-Kit, a toolkit that flips the script by making code serve your specs, not the other way around. With Spec-Kit, devs can drive AI coding agents with precise, structured requirements, boosting code quality and reliability for mission-critical projects. Perplexity just dropped a game-changing AI workflow tool for Mac that lets you run multi-step tasks right on your device. Pro and enterprise users can now organize files, summarize PDFs, and automate cross-app work, all locally, no cloud lag. This move puts Perplexity in direct competition with open-source AI agent platforms, aiming to boost productivity for power users and enterprises. The dashboard AI battle just got real as Grok joins Apple CarPlay, shaking up how drivers interact with their rides. Now, you can chat hands-free with Grok's sarcastic personality, but you'll still need to tap to start No Hey Grok yet. Unlike in Tesla's, Grok can't control music or navigation, but this move signals a new era for third-party AI assistants in your car. Forget switching tabs. Claude AI is now built right into Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, making AI-powered analysis and content creation seamless. With Outlook integration in public beta, users can draft emails and schedule meetings without leaving Office. This move boosts workflow efficiency and brings advanced AI tools to everyday business tasks. Forget everything you thought you knew about AI limits. Claude just leveled up with infinite context memory. Now it can handle massive, multi-step projects without losing track, making it a game-changer for devs and researchers. This upgrade means smoother workflows, fewer repeats, and smarter, more reliable results for long-term tasks. A hidden Grok computer button just exposed SpaceXAI's secret. The Grok Build desktop app is almost here. Early access reveals support for macOS, Linux, and Windows, plus plugins, Git integration, and agentic coding workflows. With insiders already testing, SpaceXAI is set to challenge OpenAI and Anthropic in the desktop coding arena. Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite just dropped as Google's fastest, most cost-efficient AI model for massive-scale business use. It delivers sub-second response times and handles text and images, powering real-time coding, customer service, creative pipelines, and financial ops with ultra-low latency. Major players like JetBrains, Gladly, and Ramp are already seeing huge gains in speed and cost savings. Forget typing. Qwen just dropped AI voice input for PC, letting you control desktop apps by talking. It cleans up your speech, fixes mistakes, and even auto-generates email replies, making work and content creation way smoother. This upgrade means you can command, translate, and reply across platforms, all hands-free. OpenAI just dropped a Chrome extension for Codex that lets AI agents run wild inside your actual browser sessions. Now, Codex can access signed-in sites like LinkedIn, Salesforce, and Gmail, automate tasks across tabs, and even use dev tools, all while you keep scrolling memes. With over 3 million devs using Codex weekly, this move turns it into a true, all-in-one, coding and workflow beast. Mounting lawsuits and tragic cases have forced OpenAI to launch a trusted contact alert in ChatGPT for self-harm risks. Now, adult users can set a trusted person to get notified if the AI detects serious danger, but no private chat details are shared. This move highlights OpenAI's push for more responsible AI, yet questions remain about privacy and real-world impact. Anthropic just locked in over 220,000 GPUs and 300 megawatts from SpaceX's Colossus 1, turbocharging Claude's AI muscle. This deal means higher limits for Claude Pro and Max users, and a major flex in the global AI arms race. For SpaceX, it's a fresh revenue stream, and proof their data center game is no joke. Anthropic just dropped the game changer. The Dreaming feature lets Claude-managed agents review their own work and upgrade themselves between sessions. This tech means agents spot patterns, fix recurring mistakes, and get sharper over time. No more starting from scratch every run. Internal tests show up to 10% better task success, and partners like Harvey and Netflix are already seeing faster, smarter results.